Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today let us see how to crochet a lacy scarf which can be used for the spring season. I have done this scarf using love knots or salmon knot. For making this scarf I am using 2 bundles of multicolored yarn. So altogether we need around 300 grams of yarn and the length will be around 430 meters. The crochet hook I am using is 3.5 mm. Now let us start using this multicolor yarn. First start with the magic knot and then make 2 chains, 1 and 2. Now join the first chain with a single crochet stitch and then pull the yarn to 1 inch and make a chain like this. Pass the hook through the yarn at the back and pull the yarn to make a single crochet. Now you can see 3 yarns in each knot. Once again pull to 1 inch length and make the same stitch. See, once again pull 1 inch and make a chain. Pass the needle through the back yarn and make a stitch. In this same method I am making 40 knots to make this scarf. It should be multiples of 2, and at the end you can also measure the length. It comes up to 27 inches. Now I'll show you how to turn and go to the second row. Leave 4 knots, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and in the knot next to the 4th and the 5th one you make a single crochet and join. You will get a diamond shape with 4 love knots. Again you make 2 love knots, 1 and 2, in the previous row leave 2 love knots, and in the knot between the second and the third you make 1 single crochet and join. In the same method you continue the row completely. Make 2 love knots, leave 2 love knots in the previous row and join with the single crochet. In this same method I will complete this row and come back to you to show how to turn the side and come to the next row. This is the last stitch in the second row. You make 2 love knots and join with the starting stitch with the single crochet. Now we have completed the second row, and coming to the third row, start with 3 love knots. 1, 2, and 3. Turn the side and join to the first knot with the single crochet. First knot seen on the top of the second row. Join with the single crochet. Now it will look like a diamond. Again 2 love knots, 1 and 2, and join in each knot on top of the second row. See, this knot is the top knot. Join with it. It will look like a diamond. In this same method, let us continue the third row. 2 love knots and joining to the top of the knot in the second row with the single crochet stitch. In the same method, let us put as many rows as needed. Usually for these shawls, it will be 72, 76 or 80 inches in length. Whatever length you need, you can put as many rows as needed. And every time when we go to the next row, we should put 3 love knots and turn the side. See, 1, 2 and 3 love knots. Now turn the side and join with the single crochet in the next knot, and again continue with 2 love knots. I hope you are clear about the stitch now. And with this same stitch we are going to complete the whole shawl. See, now I have finished completely the length as I needed. Let us measure and I'll show you. See here. This is 60 inches length, and again I'll measure continuing the length. See, it comes up to 80. 60 plus 20, 80 inches in length. And this is how your stitches will look. And now I'll show you how to finish the end. You should come with a single crochet, full line of single crochet. See, in these 2 yarns I am putting 1 single crochet, and in the knot we'll put 1 single crochet. Again there will be 3 yarns. Below the 2 yarns you put 1 single crochet, and in the knot you put 1 single crochet. See, again below these 2 yarns 1 single crochet, and in the knot 1 single crochet. In this same method, let us finish the row completely. I'll complete this row and come back to you. See, now I have completed. Now put 3 chains, and in these 2 yarn, below these 2 yarn, pass the needle and make a single crochet. This stitch is called a picot stitch, which is a decorative stitch we use in the edges. See here, I will show you again. Make a single crochet in the next stitch. Make 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3 chains, and here in the starting chain you can see 2 yarns like this. Below these 2 yarns, insert the needle and make a single crochet stitch. Again in the next stitch you make one single crochet, and again in the next stitch make a single crochet. Then 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3 chains, and in the first chain you will see 2 yarns. Insert the hook inside and make a single crochet. So you make one single crochet in the next stitch, and in the next stitch make a single crochet and continue with 3 chains. So in alternate chains we make the picot stitch, which is a decorative stitch, and we finish the edges like this. On both the edges of your shawl you make this decorative stitch and you can finish it. I hope you are clear about the stitch. If you like this video, share with your friends and click the like button. For my previous videos, go to the links in the description. And to learn more such embroidering stitches, crochet stitches and other rangolis, you subscribe for my channel. See, I have finished both the edges. It looks so beautiful. Thank you for watching.